Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to find Excel sheet column title. Given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. So here they have given the column number, we have to find the column name. Let's take an Excel sheet. So here they will be giving the number of the column. So this is 27th column. So 27th column belongs to what column name, that we have to find it. So this is the question they have given. So for example, column name A is column 1, column name B is column 2. It goes on up to 26. Then column name AA is 27, column name AB is 28. It goes up to this. So the example, they have given the column number. So 1. So I have to give the output as A. So that is a column name. When I go for second example, here they have given the column number as 28. I have to find the column name. The column name is AB. So when I go for the third example, 701, the column name is ZY. This is what we have to find. Okay, now let's discuss the logic in detail. So here we'll reverse the process and we'll figure it out. Here when I observe this, so first 26 alphabets are there in the first 26 column names. Okay, so if I give the column number as 10, I have to print the 10th alphabet. I have to print the 10th alphabet. Now, what if the number exceeds more than 26? So once after the completion of 26 columns, 27th column they have given the name as, by keeping the first alphabet A as constant, they have given 26 columns. Then by keeping B as constant, they have given 26 columns. Then by keeping C as columns, they have 26 columns. By keeping D as constant, they have 26 columns. It goes on till the end. By keeping Z as constant, they have 26 alphabets. Once after the completion of this, what is the column name? We'll figure it out. Okay. So here they have given, by keeping Z as constant, they have given up to Z. Now, by keeping 2A as constant, because I have given column name AA, done. By keeping 2A as constant, they have 26 alphabets. So it is going on continuously like this. Okay. So now we'll figure out the process in a reversed way. For example, if I have the column name, how can I find the column number? So it is very simple. So if I have column name as AB. So here they have given the column name as AB. So we are taking the second letter. Okay. So here this we have to find, this comes under which alphabet? This comes under the second alphabet. So what I will be doing is 26 to the power 0 into, so this comes as the second alphabet. So I will give 2. So why we are giving 26 to the power 0 is because by keeping A as constant, I have 26 alphabets. So that is why I am keeping 26 to the power 0. So anything to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 2, 2 we have got. Now by keeping A as constant, I have 26 alphabets, right? By keeping A as constant. Okay. So here for this A, what I will be doing? 26 to the power 1 into this alphabet number, that is 1. So I will give 1. So 26 to the power 1 is 1 into 1, that is 26. By adding these two, I'll get the column number as 28. See the question? 28. Similarly, let's figure out this ZY. So when I have the column name is Z and Y. So here what we are going to do? By keeping Y, so Y is the second alphabet, right? So by keeping Z, A, from A to Z, by keeping Z as constant, I have 26 columns. So Y comes as the 25th alphabet. So 26 to the power 0 into 25. So anything to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 25 is 25, because Y is the 25th alphabet. So 25th column. By keeping Z as constant, 25th column. Now by keeping Z as constant, okay, so 26 to the power 1, because 26 times I have kept that many characters as common. So A is constant, then B is constant. So A is constant, 26 alphabets. Then B is constant, 26 alphabets. C is constant, 26 alphabets. That is why I am keeping to the power 1. Okay. So by keeping first character as constant, I have that many characters. How many characters I have left? That is why I am giving power 1. So here 26 to the power 1 into Z comes as a 26th alphabet. 26 to the power 1 is 26. 26 into 26. Okay. So if you want, we can calculate. So equal to 26 into 26. So what is the answer I'm getting? 676. So I'll put it as 676. Now what I have to do? I have to add these two numbers. So when I add these two numbers, the sum value is 701. 701. See, I have got the column number as 701. So this is the logic to find the column number. Now I want to find the column name by giving the column number. So just reverse the process. It is similar like converting binary to decimal, decimal to binary. The same logic, and we have to solve this problem. Now I am going to reverse the logic. So here, instead of multiplying, I will be dividing it. Now what they have given? They have given the column number. So here what is the column number? So the column number is 701. I have to find the column name. The column number is 701. I have to find the column name. So we have to repeat the process. Here we are repeating the process based on number of digits. So here also we will be repeating the process. So when we are repeating a process, I have to take a loop. So I will be taking a while loop. Okay. While the input will be given in a variable, right? So I will take the input as column number, C and I'll give. So I have to check the condition whether the column number is greater than 0. Okay. If it is greater than 0, first step what I have to do? I have to decrement the column number because we are considering it as a 0 based index. So column number will be decremented. Column number will be decremented. This is the first step. Now I have to get the last character of the column name. Okay. So if I want to get the last character of the column name, I have to take the column number and I have to do the modulo operation. So here column number is 701. Okay. We have decremented. It becomes 700. Now what I am going to do? I am going to take the column number and I am going to do modulo operation so that we can get the character. What alphabet, what number alphabet is this? That will be getting it here. So here 700 divided by 26. What is my remainder? We have to find. So 700 divided by 26. What is the remainder? We have to check. So my remainder is 24. So my remainder is 24. Here we are considering from 0 based index, which is for the character A will give the value is 0. So if the remainder is 24, which is the 25th character, right? So for that what I will be doing is I will take the character A, I will be adding it with this. So A is the first character, then plus 24th character, whatever we are getting. So we will take the ASCII value of A, that is 65, plus the remainder value 24. By adding these two numbers, I will be converting it into a character. I will be converting into a character and I will be storing it in a variable. So let's take a variable called as ch and I will be storing it in this variable. So character ch is equal to, I will be storing into this. Now I will be getting the character called, so A plus 24th character. A is the first character, then plus 24th character, which will be 25th character, that is the character called Y. So I will be getting this character called Y. Now I have to add this to a string. For this we have to declare an empty string. So we have to declare an empty string here. Okay. So in this empty string I have to append this character on the index value 0. So what I will be doing? str.insert. On the index value 0 I have to insert. So this character ch will be inserted. Now I have got the last character. So after getting the last character, I have to remove the last character. Right? So for that column number is equal to column number divided by 26. So here 700 divided by 26. My quotient value is 26. My quotient value will be 26. So I'll go for the loop again. 26 greater than 0. Yes, condition is true. I'll come inside. I'll decrement the value. Now the column number becomes 25 because this is 0 indexed. This is 0 indexed, that is why we are getting the column number as 25 because we are decrementing. Now 25 modulus 26. So 25 modulus 26, my remainder is 25 only. So which is 0 based index A plus. So A is the first character plus 25th character, that is Z. We'll get the character called Z here. I'll be converting into a character which is ASCII value of A65 plus 24. We have got the character called capital Z. So we'll be getting the character called capital Z. Then I'll be storing it in the variable called ch. Now I'll be inserting it to the string. So earlier we were having a character called y in the string. Now on the index value 0, I'll be adding the character called Z. I'll be adding the character called Z. Now I have to divide the column number by 26. 25 divided by 26, my quotient value is 0. So when I go to the loop again, 0 greater than 0 condition becomes false, I'll come out of the loop. So this is the logic behind this. Earlier we were discussing the logic, that is with the column name, how to find the column number. So we are doing the reverse process, that we are multiplying 26 to the power 0 plus the column number, plus the alphabet number, then 26 to the power 1 plus alphabet number, then 26 to the power 2 plus alphabet number, it goes on like that. So here we are dividing the process. So that is the logic of this program. Now let's write the code. So what is the first step I have to do? The first step I have to take a empty string. So we'll be taking a string builder class because string is immutable in Java. So string builder result is equal to new string builder. Fine. So next what I have to do? I have to take a loop. So while column number is greater than 0, I have to check this condition. After this what I have to do? First step I have to decrement the column because I am going to take it as 0 indexed. So I have decremented the column. After decrementing the column, I have to get the character. So character ch is equal to, I'll convert it into a character. This is typecasting. So maybe if you want, I'll take this last character. So here I'll be adding it with a because we are considered 0 based index. But I have to find what is a character. So to find the character, I have to do modulus. So column number divided by 26. We'll get the remainder that will be added with the character a. Then I'll be getting an integer value only. By adding 2 characters, I'll be getting only integer. I have to convert it into characters, so we are doing typecasting. Afterwards, I have to add it to the string. So result is equal to, result dot insert, where I have to insert on the 0th index. Always whatever the character we are getting, that should be added to the 0th index because we are getting the character from the last. So 0, which character? ch is a character that we are going to insert. Done. After this, column number will be divided by 26 to get the quotient value. Column number divided by 26. And this process will get repeated until we are getting the entire string. Now I have to convert it to string because we are having string builder class. So I have to convert the result to string. So I'll convert it into string and I'll be returning it as a string because the return type is string here. That's all. Let's run the code now. As it passes the test cases, let's submit the code. As it passes all the test cases. That's all.